Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Mahima, welcome to IWM Buzz and congratulations for your new show. And what you want to say about your show or new character and how much preparation you have done for this character and what was the tough thing you have gone through doing this show, this character?
Hi, thank you for having me firstly. And to talk about my character, to talk about the show, it's not an easy show to be a part of firstly because it puts light on such a heavy topic, but a topic which is for real, which is so relevant, human trafficking. So I play this character who's a 16-year-old and who gets abducted and who gets kidnapped in this whole trap of trafficking. All right, so it was an easy thing for initially I had to convince myself whether I'll be able to pull off something which is so difficult. So initially I had to convince myself, and secondly I wanted to grab this opportunity because mujhe perform karna tha, and as well as a show which talks about human trafficking and which also has such a twisted, complex, such a interesting writing to it, and also the plot like this is something that as an artist you look forward to do something which is so different, which is so interesting, which is going to be so gripping. So definitely mujhe ye that happened while I was performing. But who doesn't have breakdowns and who doesn't get attached to the character, So it did take a lot of time for me, and I think that's the reason Zoya and Flesh is so special to me. I somehow think that Flesh will never leave me, or Zoya Gupta will never leave me because it's so special for me. Number one, it talks about such an important tough topic, and then secondly to play someone who goes through it. I can't talk about the scenes that we did, which was so tough.
And how was your reaction जब आप वो सब सुन के फिर से वो shoot पे आके वो चीज को वैसा create करना?
I think as an actor आप काफी empathetic हो जाते हो. आप अपने आप को उनकी जगह पर रखते हो ना, कि अगर मैं होती इस कैरेक्टर की जगह पे तो मैं कैसे सोचती. But also it's not you, it's the character that is going through all of those things. तो वो difference होगा ना, आप एक तरह से उन चीजों को react करोगे और वो character एक तरह से react करेगा. So to talk about the stories and to talk about how the survivors, I would rather say the fighters would they explained their story with a smile on their face. वो बिल्कुल दर्द था, but उनको अपनी stories बताते हुए एक smile थी उनके चेहरे पे. That I came, because I can't talk about the stories, but they had such a pain as well as the smile was there on their face while they were narrating their stories. And I think मैं उन stories में से मैंने उनका जो experience था, मैंने वो अपने साथ रखा while I was playing the character, because at the end of the day I am a victim to trafficking. But at the same time, Zoya is someone who discovers who discovers a steel inside her that she never knew existed. She fights back with everything she's got. Not that she gave up. ऐसी situation आई है, तो what am I supposed to do? There were a lot of breakdowns, but she knew that she has to escape and just fight back and get through it, no matter whatever it takes. So she's a fighter, as well as like I said, काफी कुछ था perform करने के लिए. The arc of the character was such that it was so interesting to perform.
तो जोया की कौन सी एक अच्छी बात है जो आप अपने रियल लाइफ में अपनाना चाहोगे?
I think the fact that वो एक फाइटर रही और उसने गिव अप नहीं किया, एंड तक, चाहे उसके साथ बहुत सारी चीजें जो भी हुई, काफी हीनियस, काफी गट रेंचिंग थी, but she was a fighter. She is a fighter, in fact, and I think that is something जो मुझे काफी inspiring लगा, as a performer, as an actor. एंड आई थिंक कुछ कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो आप एक अपने किरदार से वापस घर लेकर ही आते हैं. You learn something from the characters that you portray. So I think this is going to be in Zoya's case.
So how was your experience doing a web show as compared to doing a TV show? कितना मजा आया web show करके?
See, I think I'll tell you one constant thing which remains in every medium, be it TV, be it films, be it now that I've also done a Telugu film and also films for that matter. एक चीज कांस्टेंट रहती है, वो आप हो, आपकी प्रेपरेशन है और कैमरा है. हाँ, टीवी एंड वेब हैज दिस मेजर डिफरेंस दैट देयर आर टाइमलाइंस, बट द टाइमलाइंस आर नॉट सो टाइट. टीवी के मामले में आपको एपिसोड्स डिलीवर करने होते हैं एंड you have to deliver, you have a target of at least taking out 20 minutes, 18 minutes a day. So it's a task because it's an on and off thing. आपको episodes deliver करना होता है on an everyday basis. Whereas web show में you get time to prepare, you get time to analyze कि कब क्या होना है. At the same time आपको as character के लिए prepare करने को time मिल जाता है. So ये एक difference है. Also approach अलग होती है. सिनेमाटोग्राफी भी कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी सी चेंज हो जाती है बिकॉज ब्लॉक्स अलग हो जाता है. सो हाँ, टेकिंग दोनों की काफी अलग है जितनी मैंने देखी. आई गेस it's also it also depends on the project that you're doing. तो सबसे पहले टेकिंग अलग थी, अप्रोच अलग थी. प्रिपेयर करने के लिए हमें ज्यादा टाइम लगता है. एट द सेम टाइम आपको पता है कि this is realistic, not that TV is not realistic, but वहां पे एक तरह की परफॉर्मेंस होती है जो आपको डिलीवर करनी पड़ती है because the block is this. यहाँ पे यहाँ पे डिजाइंड होते हैं ब्लॉक्स अलग अलग टेक्स के लिए. So I think यहाँ पे you have more liberty as an actor to perform, more liberty to get realistic, and but not that I can forget what TV has given to me. I am what I am right now because of the TV shows that I've done. So I think मेरे लिए at the end of the day जो सबसे ज्यादा मैटर करेगा वो है स्क्रिप्ट. Script is the mother of all the decisions, professional decisions that I would take. So ये मुझे difference लगा. Yeah.